Hey, it's Brett Mary here with another great pre-owned vehicle at Airport Honda. This is a 2018 Kia Sportage all-wheel drive with only 500 miles on it. Yeah, you heard me right, with 500 miles. This was a lady that had always had a sedan and thought she wanted an SUV and decided she didn't want the tallness of an SUV, so she went back to a Civic. I mean, this is virtually a brand new vehicle. Leather, it is all-wheel drive. I mean, a ton of equipment, nice carbon bronze color. I mean, basically brand new. I mean, save thousands over a new one. It still smells new. Of course, has all the books, has all the keys. It is leather, has a power driver's seat, power fold-in mirrors. Very nice touch screen. I mean, it's as a 500-mile vehicle should be. I don't think the back seat's ever been sat in. Just overall very nice. Another great small SUV. These things are extremely hot. This is an EX trim level. A lot of nice features with that. Overall, an extremely nice vehicle. Very nice and rare color. I think this particular customer actually waited on this color quite some time. If you want to save thousands over a new Kia and get one with no miles, it's basically brand new, just give me a call at 865-951-8938. Thanks.